Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use my digital pattern. You can purchase this on my website at diavia.us and the link is in my bio. So I am using the A4 form. I did send out an A0 form and also an A4 printout form. This one is usually what I use anyway. I like to use copy paper and make my own patterns with tape and copy paper because it's easier for me and it's the cheapest option, honestly. So to get started, I am going to be referring to my iPad as a reference while I am putting my A4 form together. I'm looking at the A0, but the easiest way to put this together is lining up each row. So if there's a A2, you're gonna line it up with B2 and it should match that way. So that's exactly what I'm doing. But I didn't realize it until I actually started putting the pieces together by referring to the A0 photo. Because the A0 photo, you can go print that out at an actual print place and it'll print out exactly what you need. Or if you have a computer, you should be able to do it. But because, like I said, this is the cheapest option, I'm going to use the A4 paper. And to do that, just line every row up. So if there's an A2, you're going to put it to B2. And then you're going to put C2 under it. So everything goes under, it goes that way. Now, the skirt is kind of separate, but I am going to actually put that together in the end. And you can cut for whichever size you're using. So I'm going to be using a small, so I'm going to cut everything to a small. There are colors for each size, and you can see that on the first page. And I also put a picture in so you guys could understand what I'm talking about. Now that I finished putting the pieces together for my two skirt sides, I'm going to show you guys how I actually tape those together at the end. But let's move on to the ruffle and the waistband. So I actually don't use a waistband because I like my clothes to kind of fit high-waisted or to the T. But if you want to add elastic or you want your look to look a little bit neater, it's suggested to add the waistband. So I did include that. But for this tutorial, I am not adding a waistband. But I am going to show you guys how to put it together, which I'm doing right now. Like I said, the papers go in rows. So if it is an A2, you're going to put A3 under it and then so forth on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you print everything out and you see the numbers, you'll be able to line everything up. So right now I'm just cutting out the waistband that I'm not going to use, but I wanted to show you guys how it should look when you're cutting it out. And I'm going to cut it to a size, I don't think I did a size small actually for this one, but if you were going to cut, just cut to whatever size you're going to be using. And I believe it tells you the seam allowance on each paper for the skirt, the ruffle, and the waistband. So now I am putting together my ruffle piece. You'll be able to line everything up, and I'm just using regular tape, clear tape, so it doesn't hide anything or it's not in the way of seeing what I need to see while I'm actually using the pattern. And this only cost me $2 to make this. Now, to buy it was different, but like I said, this is a cheap option if you want to print out my digital pattern. So now I have all of my pieces together. I'm gonna cut this. I don't believe this piece, oh actually yes, it does have the sizing for small, medium, large as well, if you would like to refer to this. It goes from extra small to extra large. I really want it to be as inclusive as possible, but if you guys want me to add any sizes, please let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do so for the next pattern. When you are finished, everything should look like this. You should have two skirt pieces, which is the front and the back technically, and then you should have a ruffle and a waistband. Okay, now if you actually want to use the pattern, it's easier for me to just put the skirt pieces together, so I just tape the two pieces to one. Now, you can use any fabric you want, but because you guys know this from the jersey, I am using a jersey to show you guys. I'm just using the skirt to cut out my front and my back piece. So I'm going to do the same thing, front and back. I'm going to make sure I have two pieces because once again, you need a front and you need a back. You have to cover your hiney and your other personal areas, right? So just make sure you cut out 2 of these pieces using the skirt pattern. Okay, now that we have our skirt piece, we also will have one on the back. I just didn't show you guys me cutting that out. I'm actually going to cut out 2 ruffle pieces. All you have to do is make sure it's as long as your ruffle pattern and as thick. We're going to make sure we cut out a ruffle piece. When you're finished cutting, you should have 4 pieces, a front and the back of a skirt, and 2 ruffle pieces. Now I'm going to sew my skirt together. I have a tutorial on how to sew a skirt. If my instructions aren't clear here, you're going to put the 2 pieces on inside out and just stitch the sides together. And that's it. I am using my serger machine. You don't have to use this. You can use a regular sewing machine, but I just like how neat it looks. After that, I am making my ruffle with my ruffle pieces. I also have a sewing tutorial on how to sew ruffles. So I'm just sewing the ruffle, making it scrunch up on the fabric, and that's pretty much all you have to sew. If you want to hem the ruffle in the skirt, please do so. I didn't hem, I did a little serger look just to give it that streetwear look. And now I'm going to place my ruffle on top of the skirt. And if you're doing a jersey skirt, you want to make sure you can see the name and the number. And that's all I'm doing, is putting it on top and sewing it. Now, if it's easier for you to sew it on top of the skirt before you sew the back and front of the skirt together, then try that out. But for me, I didn't have a challenge with that. But everyone is different. So just let me know if you guys have any questions. This is how the skirt came out. It was very, very cute. But please like and subscribe and comment.